Questions tonight about the Indian River man who shot and killed a deputy and a locksmith during a routine eviction. The sheriff saying that they had been to Michael Halberstam's house 7 times just this month.
And there was no indication that Halberstam could be so dangerous. Investigative reporter Terry Parker talked to a legal expert who explains what it takes to put a threat onto law enforcement's radar. Terry?
In this case, the suspect had 2 old criminal charges out of Virginia, a few concerning posts on Facebook, and several 911 calls by his mother trying to evict him. But for police, that's just not enough to be put on high alert.
This is not someone that was on our radar. This is not somebody that we were actively engaged with. This was a standard call for service.
Indian River County deputies went to the home of Michael Halberstam 7 times this month, all to do with calls his mother made about evicting him. Halberstam also had some concerning Facebook posts, angry at UPS, which had fired him, writing karma above a story about the deadly UPS plane crash, and making paranoid posts about the sheriff's office, like these on November 5th. One saying, "Seems strange the cops would pick up my Ring camera and try to hide it under a pillow. You boys aren't hiding something, are you?" So what does put someone on law enforcement's radar? It's usually more than Facebook posts.
You have to balance someone's right to free speech under the First Amendment along with a potential threat to the community.
Former Palm Beach County State Attorney Dave Ehrenberg says police need to see evidence of a real threat before they make an arrest.
The fact that police shows up to someone's house does not mean that they're going to take him in or make an arrest. Still has to be probable cause to make an arrest. And police will come in after the fact, and then it's often a he said, she said situation.
Under Florida's red flag law, you can report someone who you think may be a danger to themselves or others to police. And if a judge agrees, they can take away the person's weapons for a period of time. But someone must raise the alarm first.
And police oftentimes will say, I need to go talk to the state attorney's office because I didn't see this in my presence. There's a lot of questions here. I don't know if it meets that burden. So that's why it can be frustrating, but the system we have is designed to protect the innocent.
So vague online rambling, disturbing posts, or odd behavior usually don't reach the threshold because it must be a specific threat. It must have an identifiable victim. And police usually need probable cause that the speaker intends to act. If you know someone you think could be a real danger, please let police know. Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.